Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in the Philippines, and I know we just did a video yesterday and I said I wouldn't be back to the weekend, but I figured I would go ahead and do some videos on these new Mini GT cars while they're hot. So we're going to call this Top Secret Tuesday, because what else would we be unboxing except for the Top Secret R32 from Mini GT. This is the white variant. There's also a gold one out there right now that is a Japan exclusive. Tried to get it, but they sold out too quickly, so couldn't get it. But I got the white one, and I actually have another one of these that is sealed that I'm taking back to the States, and it will be up for grabs. Not sure on the price of these yet until I get back, and I'll see what the current value is, because these have not even became like mainstream on eBay yet. There's a few of them out there, but they're ridiculously priced and such. I figure mine will be somewhere around 20 bucks, give or take a couple dollars. So I will have one of this sealed, and then I have an extra 54 Lincoln, and that would be around the same price. And then I have the anniversary R34, which will be probably around 30 or 35 bucks, something like that. So anyways, if you do need the Top Secret R32, leave me a comment in this video and I will get back with you. And as I said, you can count on it to be right around 20 bucks, something like that. So anyways, let's get this bad boy unboxed and take a look at him. So we have Mini GT, and this is your Top Secret Nissan Skyline GT-R VR32 in white. Bottom side has your age recommendation of 14 and older, because it is a collector's model, not a toy. And it has the choking hazard warning for little kids and so forth. On this end cap, you have Top Secret. On this end cap, you have Mini GT, scale 1/64. And then on the top side, you have collector number 469. Where to find Mini GT online: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I know some of the ones I've been doing lately are older ones from 2018 to like 2019. So they don't have the IG name on there. And as you can see, it is Mini GT64 on Facebook and Twitter, but on Instagram it is Mini GT Official. Then on the back side of your box, you have your TSM model licensing, the holographic sticker for TSM model, Nissan licensing, and so forth. And then you can see it is your Top Secret Nissan Skyline GT-R VR32 white right-hand drive. And these are only available in right-hand drive because they were the Japan variant and such. So let's get him out and take a look at him. And with all of them, you have this nifty little plastic tray and such. And I forgot to say, you may have seen this guy already in my shorts. I did a short on this one, the Lincoln, and the anniversary R34. So anyways, that is something that you may have seen already in some of my shorts as mentioned. So as you can see, it has a lot of like cool livery here on the side, with the Top Secret going across the bottom of the door, and some decent looking wheels. I don't think I'm a fan of these. I think I'm a bigger fan of the Nismo style 5-spokes that came on the R32 Nismo and such. And actually, we're going to do a comparison of this guy and the Nismo R32, because a lot of people say the old casting R32 wasn't that great, and in my opinion, I really dug it. I thought it looked pretty good. So anyways, we're going to do that. I am going to pick up another white variant because I do like it with the white 5-spokes and such before I head back to the States. And I'm also going to try to find a couple more silver ones and bring back with me for some of you guys that need one. And anyways, as you can see, it does have rubber mirrors, but they are a little bit more rigid than usual. So you need to be careful, because these ones are quite big and they would probably be easy to break. Then going around to the front, you have your front bumper cover with the vents, a bigger chin spoiler than usual, and a lot of people are saying the headlights are different. I'm going to have to see that in person to do a comparison of the two side by side, but they say the headlights are much better on this one and the proportions are much better. But I thought the Nismo was quite good in my opinion. So you have this hood that is specific to the top secret variant. You have a gold banner sticker, and I think it is like the top secret. So forth. Then you have your gauge pod on the right, or dome for the gauge pod, I should say. Then you have the www.topsecret/japan.com website on the side of the hood. Then you have, once again, same livery on this side. And then you can see through the quarter glass that there is a cage in the back. And you can see through the back window. There's the cage there. And you can see the rear window defroster and the right lighting. Has the red acrylic taillight lenses, the GTR emblem, top secret on the bottom lip of the deck lid, your skyline across the part right underneath the deck lid. A lot of detail back here with Nissan and so forth. Looks really good. Then you have like a big rear air diffuser thing there. The exhaust tip, which is concealed by this air diffuser thing, and then you also have the front area where the chin spoiler was. So when looking at this car from the side, because it doesn't have any side skirts really, it looks like a lifted variant of the Skyline. So in my opinion, I like the Nismo better. I'm not a hater of this car, but I cannot say that I like it better than the Nismo, because as you can see, it looks like the rear tires actually are going to rub the quarter panel, but they don't. It's very close fit. But anyways, yeah, it just does not look as good as the Nismo combo of the wheels and such. And as I said, I'll get the white Nismo again, and we'll do a comparison video of the two. So guys, this is it for our Tuesday surprise Mini GT unboxing. I will do another unboxing this week. Not sure if it'll be the Lincoln or the anniversary car. I may do both of them. I don't know yet. We'll see how this week goes, because I have some appointments to attend to this week. So I'll see what I can get in for you guys. So anyways, I will be back sometime this week with another Mini GT unboxing for you. So be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your week.